Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the R programming series, and today we're gonna talk about filtering the data frame, right? So how we can filter it through the condition, right? And one thing I want you to know, if you are enrolled in any bachelor or master program, you can contact me on this WhatsApp or mail to discuss about your coursework or projects, right? Great, let's start with the filtering thing, right? So this is our data frame. Let me just show it to you, right? Now let's say I want to filter it only for males, right, or females, whatever we want, right? So we can say filter it for male records. So we want to include only records which are for males. So I can say df, and in the square brackets I can say df dollar. I hope you know this dollar sign from our previous lecture, and I can say sex and equal, then I can say male, right? And a comma because I want all the columns in my data frame, so that's why I'm including the comma. Let's see, and you can see we got age and sex only for male. But let's say I want to create a new data frame about it, right? So I can say df male and assign it get value. Now let's run this line, and we got df male, which contain only records for males, and we can just do it for females. FD, and here F, and here FI FE, and you can see we got, and that is exact 70 plus 140 is 210, right? Great, so we got our df male and df female, which we have filtered through it. But what's the science behind it, right? So let's just run this line and see what we get. So we will get a vector of true and false values. So wherever it will be true, like it will be male, so first true record was for male, you can check it from there. So it's giving us true, and for the third it's giving false because it is female. So whatever the value here will be true, then it will be included in the data frame, otherwise it will be just omitted, right? And let's behind the scene. So I'm just making these notes so you can check it out in the description, right? And let's see, filtering through multiple condition. Now we want to filter it through through two conditions. So first condition will be same, we want only record for male. Let's make a new condition, and the second condition will be, what you can say, I want this column to be less than 250. Just see that. So we don't want these values 289, and just for practice purpose, right? So, and so after this comma, before this comma, I want to create an AND operator. So where is AND? Yeah, here is AND, and then I will say df, and my dollar will be cholesterol less than through 250, so it should be less than 250, right? Now let's see df mail with call. Yeah, so we got our df mail and we got only cholesterol value which is less than 250. So if we see this, so this 289 value is not included in our this data frame. So that's how you can group, or you can just give multiple conditions while filtering out through your data frame. And you can use or operator also through this line. This means or in R, and this means and. So and will give you values when both of conditions will be true, and or will give you value true if any of the condition will be true. So that's all for it, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you for